What is up, guys? It's New York City for Roblox, and today we are filming this elevator at the Tet Street / Promenade station in Miami, Florida. And there's Lenny. Hi, guys. And there's the window, but it is pretty dirty and vandalized. Down we go. And this floor doesn't look too bad. Here we are at the ground. Now it says going up. Chime does not work. Now we're gonna go back up to P and we'll do our cab view. This is an innovative Dover. Door close button is being a piece of garbage. But anyway, you get your ceiling, your window, floor indicators, fixtures, door open close alarm, the emergency phone, firefighter's operation. Now we are here at P. Oh, sorry, going down. All right, there it goes, and that will be it. Peace.